Before we jump in and start learning about InDesign's features and how to use them, let me say a quick word about the exercise files available for you to use. If you're a premium member of the lynda.com online training library, or if you own this title on disk, you have access to the exercise files that I will use throughout the training. Let's look inside the exercise files folder. The files have been broken down into chapters, and if you're following along, it's important to open the correct file for each chapter. In some cases, the InDesign files are loose within the chapter. In other instances, each individual movie has its own files. So if you're following along, it's important to open the correct file for each movie. Many of the files have the same name, but are in fact significantly different in order to show off or discuss particular features in the program. To open this document, simply double-click on it, and it opens in InDesign. If you see a dialog box like this one that says there are missing or modified links, go ahead and click Update Links. That way, InDesign will automatically link the files to the Links folder inside the Exercise Files folder. Also, if you see a dialog box saying that you're missing fonts, you can go ahead and replace them with fonts that you have on your system. One more thing about these files. At the end of each movie, after I've moved objects around or changed text or whatever, you should close the file without saving it. That's what I do, so you'll see a nice clean file at the beginning of each movie. The reason I do this is so that you can jump right to any movie you want, even if it's in the middle of a chapter, and you won't be lost. On the other hand, if you're a monthly or an annual subscriber to the lynda.com online training library, you won't have access to these files, but you can still learn by either just watching what I do or by following along using your own text and image assets.